Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Anna and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite tuna salad. This is such a quick and easy recipe. It's my all-time favorite tuna salad. I used to eat it probably 3 times a week. A few years ago when I used to work at a grocery store, sometimes I wouldn't take lunch, and since I worked at a grocery store, I would just gather all the ingredients that I needed and I would make it in the back kitchen, just like a huge tub of it, and everyone would enjoy it. And it's like I said, very good. It's really simple. It's kind of like one of those ingredients that you can play around with it. I actually don't even have it written because I just throw a bunch of stuff in there and I pretty much eyeball everything. But I am going to write it down and I'm going to post it on my website, anitas.recipes.com, and then you can see all the measurements for everything you're going to need. So you're going to need some tuna. I'm using some albacore tuna and olive oil. You can use any type of tuna you like, and water, olive oil. I did drain the olive oil, lemon or lime, some cilantro or parsley. I'm using, my favorite combination is cilantro and lime, but you can do some parsley and lemon if you don't really like cilantro. I know some people are not a huge fan. You're also going to need some mayo, a little bit, just a touch of Dijon mustard, touch of sweet pickle relish, salt, pepper, and I'm using some shallot. You can use some red onion if you wish, and that's pretty much it. Like, I'm pretty much gonna throw all of the ingredients into my bowl, call it a day. It's gonna be a delicious lunch for me. I've been making this recipe for years and it's such a pleaser. So you want to add your drained tuna into a bowl. I like to use albacore. I find that the texture's a little bit better, the flavor's a little bit better. Normally I would use some very good Italian tuna and olive oil, but listen, grocery prices are not playing around, and that wasn't in the budget for this week, so I just got some regular tuna. But if I can splurge a little bit in some good tuna, some Italian tuna and olive oil, is the way to go for me. I love it. I can just eat it plain with a little bit of salt and pepper, call it a day. So you just want to pretty much just break it into smaller pieces. Going to do mayo. I have 1 can of tuna, so I'm gonna do about a tablespoon and a half. I'm going to do some, oh my goodness, well, this is a new jar. You can tell I didn't plan this. Okay, so I'm going to do some sweet relish. I love sweet relish in my tuna. I'm going to add just a touch of Dijon mustard. You don't have to. It just adds really pretty flavor. Salt, pepper to taste always. A pinch of salt, actually a little bit more because I know it's going to need a little bit more. And now I'm just going to pretty much chop my, well, kind of more like a mince. You can also, it's very good if you like, I'm not a huge fan, so I usually don't have it on hand. You can add some celery to this, and I know sometimes I would add it, and it was a great hit. Okay, this looks good enough, and wow, the shallots are so strong. I'm literally crying. Wait. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you want to add it right into your bowl. You can add as much as or as little as you like. I'm gonna grab a handful of cilantro. You give that a good shot at a shop. I love cilantro, so I like to add plenty of it just to add some flavor. Okay, let me juice my lemon. Hopefully these are juicy because I've been getting some limes that have not been, I don't know what's wrong with these limes. They're not very juicy. I like mine very lemony, so I like to add a whole lime. But if you don't like yours as lemony, you don't need to add as much lime. It's pretty much completely up to you. Now we mix everything together, and this is what you're gonna end up with. Look how beautiful and simple the salad is. I have a cracker because obviously we have to try it. And now this stays good in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. It's a great kind of like meal prep recipe because you can just make it, you can have it in the fridge for a quick lunch. You can put in between some bread, some crackers like I'm doing, and some salad, pretty much anything and everything. So good. Definitely a great recipe if you love tuna, or if you like kind of like quick meal preppy recipes that you can make ahead of time. This is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Hope you liked it, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye bye.